Okay, this is Unit 5, Week 3 spelling. And we talked about in the phonics that this week we are working on OR, ORE, and OAR words. And here are our spelling words for this week. We have core with the ORE spelling. Notice that we don't hear a consonant at the end, so we're using the ORE spelling. Core. We ate the apple down to its core. Or more. Change the to, or the k to and we get more. Could I have some more mashed potatoes, please? Again, we don't hear a consonant sound at the end of the word. We're using the ORE spelling. Next word, k or n, corn. Here we do have a consonant at the end, so we're using the OR spelling. Corn. I like to eat corn. And change the C to a B, and we get born again. We have a consonant at the end, so we use the OR spelling. Notice core, more. You change a C to an M. Corn, born, you change a C to a B. Those would be easy to remember for your spelling. Roar. Here we're using the OAR spelling. Or, roar. The lion began to roar. And soar. Change the to a s, and we get soar. Once again, the OAR spelling. Now this or we hear at the end of the word, just like in core and more. So we just have to remember which one to use. So there are more cores to the apple than there are apples because we ate so many. Okay, the lion began to roar because the bird began to soar away. Soar, to fly. And we're using a review word from last week, her, and we have the ER spelling, and dirt, which we had the IR spelling. And then this week we have two of our high frequency words, sure. Now this word is not like it is not pronounced like it looks, because here the S is saying sh, and we know that the S is, so here it is using a sound that it's not it, so it's not following the rules, it's an outlaw. So sure you can go outside today. Or it sure does look like it's going to rain. Or are you sure that you really want to eat another ice cream cone? Okay, and this word learn, here we have sound. Earn. We did not learn EAR as a spelling, but in this word it does have learn. I have to learn how to spell learn. Okay, and those are our spelling words for this week, with the or sound, with our review words with the sound, and our two high frequency words. Okay, let's look at a paper that we can do using our spelling words. These cards out of the way. And get the paper. Okay, spelling. Words at the bottom we're going to be using are born, corn, core, more, soar, dirt, and learn. Okay, the first clue is fly high in the sky, and I just told you fly high in the sky is to do what? Well, it was to soar, so we're going to use the word soar. And we come up here and we write soar. You plant a seed in this. You plant a seed in born, corn, core, more, dirt. You plant a seed in the dirt. You come to school to do this. What do you go to school to do? Born, corn, core, more, learn. You go to school to learn. And once again, I'm breaking these leads. I started to write the word lead. To learn. Okay, the middle of an apple is born, corn, core. The core of the apple. The opposite of less, born, corn, more. Opposite of less is more. We did a lot of that in math. Oh, by the way, you need to be working on your iReady Math and your iReady ELA. Make sure you do a half an hour a week. Okay, a vegetable. A vegetable is born or corn. Well, corn is a vegetable. And which chick hatch, or when chicks hatch, they are, and the word we have left is born, and yes, that makes sense. They are born. Okay, and there's that spelling paper. And let's look at another one. Okay, we have our spelling words up here again. And it says, write the words that end in O-R-E. Well, which ones end in O-R-E? Well, core ends in O-R-E. More ends in O-R-E. And it only asks for two, so I've got them. Core. And more. Okay, write the words that end in O-A-R. Well, O-A-R, there's roar, and there is soar. And it asks for two words, so I have both of those. Roar and soar. Then write the word that ends in O-R-N. So O-R-N, born and corn. And there's two words. So born. My writing is not very good with this. Born and corn. And write the word, so one word that ends in U-R-E, and that would be sure. I am sure that I want to go to the movies tonight. Sure. Okay, write the word that ends in E-A-R-N, and the only word left is this one, learn. So L-E-A, that did not come up, R-N, learn. Okay, and let's look at one more paper. Let's see, we've got two papers here. Which one do we want to do? How about we do this one? Let's do this one, and we're going to pick out the word that's spelled correctly. Okay, so I'm looking here. It says, look at the set of words. One word in each set is spelled correctly. Use a pencil to fill in the circle in front of that word. Okay, this word would be dirt. Which way do we spell dirt? Well, I don't remember, but I can look up here. Oh, with the I-R. Dirt with the I-R, so I'm going to fill in this. 2, sure. How do we spell sure? Well, I look up here, S-U-R-E, so it's going to be this one. Number 3, her. Which spelling do we use? We use the E-R, so H-E-R. And number 4, soar. Which or spelling do we use? Well, look up here, and it's O-A-R. Okay, and number 5, core. Which one is core? I look up here, O-R-E. So it's O-R-E. And number 6, more. Which spelling do I use? And look up here, O-R-E. So O-R-E. Here, roar, which spelling do I use? Well, O-A-R. So the O-A-R spelling. And number 8, born. Look up here, O-R-N. And it's this one. Okay, and that's my spelling.